What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from MGM Classic Cars LLC, Addison, Illinois. Today I'm bringing you this new arrival 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle. What a treat this car is. Lowered, fresh paint, 350 engine, aluminum GM performance cylinder heads, Edelbrock intake carb, vintage air, headers. It is an original AC car. Nice little cam in there. Real small one, but car's got a nice amount of power, fun to drive. Dual exhaust. All your documents of the paint when it was getting painted. They did a wonderful job. The trunk is very clean. Underneath of the car is really clean as well. Black stripes, like a flat black. Black vinyl top. Gorgeous. Disc brakes. Bench seat. They didn't go crazy with this build. It's got a lot of attention to detail, but it's very simple. In the glove box, you got your aftermarket radio. Original radio still in the dash. Your air works and blows cold. Doors close beautifully. The body lines up great. Whoever did the engine bay did a great job detailing it, redoing it. Car runs great. LED headlights in the front, SS badges. Hood closes nicely and lines up great as well. Paint is gorgeous on this car. Can't go wrong with red. Gonna go ahead and rev this thing up so you can hear it. Ice cold AC. Ice cold. Man, does that feel good. As you can hear, it sounds great. AC is ice cold. This car is located at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois. We have around 250 cars in stock. If you are interested in this one and others like it, please visit the website mgmclassiccars.com or call 847-848-1850. We offer special financing for these classic cars with great monthly payments, shipping all over the United States, open and enclosed, bonded and insured. Our business hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. all by appointment only. We get new cars in almost every day, so you're not going to want to miss a thing. Stay tuned on the YouTube channel. And most importantly, have a great day. Hope to see you soon here, because remember, this car looks great here, but it'll look a whole lot better in your garage. Let's get a beautiful Chevelle out to a lucky guy or gal today. See you soon at MGM Classic Cars. I'm going to see this car in your garage. Bye-bye, everyone. Stay tuned and have a great day.